So what you get in the package, there's two different styles I got here. What you get in the package. Okay, you get this hose, which they show a picture of the hose going in, and this attached to a car engine or motorcycle engine. You should have, one of these didn't have the washers. You should have two little thin rubber gaskets, which are gone in one. And you get a different end cap, so we'll zoom in here. You get this other end cap that's wide open. The little rubber hose and your assembly. Okay, and what this is, it's another, it's a 6-inch long tube, okay, with everything there. But this one has a diameter of 1 inch 360 thousandths, so it's a little bit bigger in diameter than the other one, okay. And when you unscrew this cap, which the cap is solid, it has a little center drill mark on there. You screw this cap, and there's a sleeve, and the sleeve slides over this assembly, and what you have is this, what you call a monocore assembly. This was a round hunk of aluminum that's been machined, notched, and it is drilled through. See if I can line this up where you can see the hole through there. And what that was, a solid block, they drilled through it, and then they machine out this. Oh, there's my gasket there. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, sorry about that. Somebody must have put this together or something to put the gaskets on. I got it. So that's the one design. And that's what it's called, a monocore. It's a solid core, and it's machined out. And then you just slide that back either way. The tube will go either way. It's threaded on both ends, I believe. Or no, it isn't threaded. It's not threaded. It slides onto this, goes against the shoulder, and then this cap holds the sleeve down onto that. Now the only difference in this other one is you see it looks quite similar. You know, the outside is the same. The only thing that's different with this one comes apart the same way, is it has a different shape to it. There. Instead of the ridges, it has that interrupted style in it. So that's the two different style cores. And if you do look around, you may find variations on these things one way or the other. I seen some other thing that was kind of astronomically priced, but had like a sleeve, or I'm not quite sure what it is, if I ever find one like it. But there are different designs on these things. But these are the two main ones you have for it. And it's just something a little different when it comes to your fuel filter solvent trap type things. So that's a look at that. And as I go along, if I get different sizes and variations of this, you know, I'll have like a little collection of these things as I go along with some different videos. But that's my view on the monocore solvent traps. I hope you enjoyed it.